So alright guys, if you're that type of person that have been looking for a free website or an app to generate AI video for free 100%, then this video is for you. So now find a place to sit or sit in a place and stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. How I will be explaining in details how you can generate this your AI videos for free. You might be that type of person that don't like to face camera, or you don't have a niche yet, so you just want to post random things. So now in this video I will explain to you how you can create your videos AI from scratch, and you won't pay any dime. You won't subscribe to any website, no app, and it's for free. You'll be able to download it and post it on your channel or your page. You understand? So now follow me. So to do this, head over to your Meta AI. If you don't have it, go and download it on Play Store. Then create a video from picture. You understand? Click it. Then pick any picture you want from your gallery. Any picture you want, then prompt it the way you want the video to be, the way you want the AI to generate the video for you. But in this video I will be telling the AI to generate a video for me with this picture of this boy laughing. You understand? So anything you want the picture to become in the video, just prompt it there. You just have to be a bit patient, because so you just have to wait for some seconds. I think for like, I don't know, maybe it's because of my network or from the app, I don't know, because I have to speed up this part so that the video will not be too long. And as you can see, the video is ready. So what you need to do is to screen record it and take it to CapCut and do the editing. But aside that, there's another thing I would let you know here. You can also expand the video. You understand? With that place that I pointed arrow, you can expand the video and it will generate another scene for you together with the one that was there. You understand? It's because of my network. That's why this thing was, I had to speed it times 10. That's why it is doing like this. So, but if you don't understand, you can let me know in the comment section. So I will do another video to explain that more further. So if you find the video helpful, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop another video, you will get notified instantly. And also you can share to your loved ones so that they too will get updated with this information. Thank you.